In an earlier video, I remember we did look at effects. Let's just quickly review what kind of effects are available in Brizy and how you can use it. I'll just click outside to close the sidebar so that you understand where to access effects. And effects can be applied on a block basis or column row basis or elements basis. I think let's start with a column over here, and we have this one that we had created earlier. Click on the column, go to the settings, and then effects. You will see you have the option for styling and effects. At the same time, you will notice that the styling and effects is also mirrored here in the sidebar. You have styling and effects. So it's just a quicker way to get to whether you want to do styling or effects. There is another option as well. Click outside to close everything. Let's say select the column and then go for Control K, which is going to open the effects. And that's Command K on a Mac. And here you have your effects. Now this is Brizy Cloud Free, which gives you animation effects for your blocks, your columns, and your elements. In Brizy Cloud Pro, you are also given scroll effects, and we will cover that when we look at Brizy Cloud Pro. With the effects, these are at its heart entrance animation effects, which means as people go onto the page and they reach a new section, an animation will make this column appear. We have bounce, fade, rotate, slide, zoom, and attention. And then you can put it back on none. This one is a little hard to see, so let's go up and choose something different like this column here. Let's choose the column, Control Command K, and then let's choose slide. With all of these effects on the right, you will notice that the moment I select any of them, we have a few options that appear here at the bottom. With slide, you currently have it sliding up from the bottom. You can have it slide down, and you have options usually then for left and right as well. This one I will put to the left. I want it to come from this empty side. And then the final two options that you have is the duration, how long this animation will take to play out, and delay, when will it start happening when a person enters this part of the web page. If I put it on 0, it may be that they're not even going to see the animation. It will happen too quickly. So something around 0.5 seconds up to 1 second. But if you believe you need something longer than that, like 5 seconds, which I would not recommend because it means no one will see the animation happening, well, you can still choose it if you want. As I've put it now in 5 seconds, I don't really see the animation. And that's where you select this replay animation feature, and it will give you that replay of the animation. There we go, after 5 seconds. Way too long. I would usually recommend 0.5. One very important feature to take into consideration here is that animation works very well on monitor screens, desktop computers, because people sit in front of it, they scroll a little bit slower. The moment, though, that people go to a mobile device, if your animation takes too long, the person may have already scrolled through and have not seen the content. If I go to this block that we had on the front and I select it, you will see that now I can reduce the duration and delay to ensure people don't miss it. In my case, I usually will deactivate it for a mobile device, as I do not want people to accidentally miss the content. If we go back to desktop and we select that column again, Control Command K, you will see that the animation is still there.